did you get back there?
I don't want to tell you.
Tell me, how did you get back there? What happened that you got behind the couch?
I don't want to tell you. I don't want to.
You have to tell me if you want to get out.
I don't want to.
What happened?
Behind the couch.
I want to get out of the couch.
Well, how did you get back there?
I went on the seat. I went up here, and I was gonna go get the other toys. Well, I was trying to go back here. I turned around, go get all the other toys. Well, I decided to go on this side, and I went jump. Then I jumped back here. And now I need some help getting down. And I need a police car out of here and an ambulance out of here.
Well, how did the police car and the ambulance get back there?
I drove them back there.
Well, don't you know if you throw things back there, they get stuck? Do you know if you go back there, you get stuck? How are we supposed to get you out of there now?
I want to get out of here.
Well, how are we supposed to get you out now?
I want to have help.
Okay.
Help.
You promise not to go behind the couch anymore? For real?
Help. I'm thinking.
I think you're full of baloney.
1, 2, 3.
I need some help.
You're really stuck.
I have some help.
I want our little mother to be laughing. Suck it in, go. Are you okay?
Yeah. Thanks for saving me. Now, could you get the police car after the ambulance out up there?
Here you go.
Whoa! Here we go. Long. Oh. Long.
Bye.